Why do cucumber leaves turn yellow and how to treat them? Hello, dear gardeners. Today we will look at an important problem that each of us faces: yellowing of cucumber leaves. Although it may seem like a simple situation, in fact it can lead to a decrease in yield and the death of the plant. Yellowing of leaves manifests itself in several ways. The lower leaves are first covered with white spots, and then they dry out. Sometimes the whole plant becomes sluggish, the leaves lose their shape, or the edges of the leaves turn yellow and look like a frame. These signs are not simple fatigue, these are warning signals. Nature wants to tell you that something is going wrong. Causes of yellowing: the reasons are different: watering errors, excess water or drought, fungal diseases, especially in the rainy and cool season, excess nitrogen in the soil. This fattens the plant and leaves it defenseless. Root rot: water does not come out of the soil, the roots sink. Aphids and other pests suck and dry out the life in the leaves. What to do? Although it is difficult to identify the problem, the best way is prevention. That is why we offer you a natural, affordable and effective solution: spraying with a solution of iodine with milk. Although this remedy is simple, it has a very strong protective effect. Benefits of the solution: iodine is a strong antiseptic, destroys fungi and bacteria. Milk creates a thin protective layer on the leaf. Diseases cannot penetrate the leaf tissue. Soap ensures that the solution adheres to the leaf. This trio not only stops diseases, but also accelerates the growth of new branches, flowers and fruits on the plant. It's as if the plant has rejuvenated. How to prepare the solution? The recipe is very simple: 10 liters of water, 1 liter of milk, or liquid yogurt will do, 30 drops of iodine, 20 grams of toilet soap, grated. Mix all this thoroughly in a bucket and put it in a spray bottle. How to spray correctly? Sun behind large cloud weather. Spray only on cloudy days or in the evening, after sunset. Otherwise, the leaves will burn. Wet both sides of the leaf well, especially the lower part. It is also recommended to spray the soil, because many diseases and insects come from underground. When and how often should you spray? Start spraying for the first time when 5 to 6 leaves appear. Repeat once every 10 days. This tool will protect your cucumbers from powdery mildew, gray rot, phytophthora, bacteriosis, and even thrips. Additional recommendations: there should be ventilation between the plants. Do not plant too densely. Water in the morning, so that the moisture evaporates during the day. Do not leave constant moisture on the leaves. This is a favorable environment for diseases. With the help of iodine solution, you can increase your yield by 2 to 3 times. So, yellowing of the leaves is a warning signal. But now you have a weapon against it. Strengthen your plants with natural protection. This way is cheap but effective. Subscribe, like, and may your harvest be abundant.